All right, before we jump into this review over the Air Jordan 11 Low Space Jam IEs, make sure you go check out the giveaway me, TopzWorld, and DaRetroWizKid got on for you can win a free pair of AirPods. The winner will be announced July 28th, and all you have to do is subscribe to me, TopzWorld, DaRetroWizKid, and follow us all three on Instagram. You can be able to win a free pair of AirPods, man. Very simple rules. Go ahead and take advantage of that giveaway, man. Also, if you have not checked out the review and on feet over these Yeezy 350 V2 Landmarks, make sure you go check it out. Link will be in the bio. Make sure you go like that video. What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back in another video, man. Today we're gonna be talking about these Air Jordan 11 Low Space Jam IEs. And me, first things first, I'm not feeling them. That's why I'm not gonna be doing it on feet for you guys. I'm gonna be taking these right back to Foot Locker because a couple more kicks that's coming out this month that I wanna get and keep, like those Laker 13s, which I will be doing a vlog when we're getting a 10-minute head start and showing you guys how to get a 10-minute head start. But today, this is a topic of discussion, the review over these Space Jam lows, man. But if you're new to the channel, what I need you to do right now is subscribe to the channel, ring notification bell for your boy, follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, and give this video a big like right now. To go for every video is 100 likes. So if you have not liked it yet, go ahead and click that like button, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this review over the Space Jam 11 Low IEs, man. Let's get it. All right, first things first is the box, man. You get this original box set. The Air Jordan 11 Concords came in. The Air Jordan 7 Ray Islands came in these. And there's a couple other kicks that came in this box as well, like the Orlando 10s. And you get this like OG Jordan Air box, man. You already see the size tag right here, size 9. This colorway is black, Concord, and white, man. And I wear size 9s, y'all know. And the retail on these guys was 170 bucks. So y'all let me know right now if you spent that bread, if y'all like got it on discount, coupons, whatever y'all did. But right here in San Antonio, they don't let you use coupons, which is weird. You spend all the money, they give you coupons, but they don't let you use it. It's kind of weird to me. But I know some people in other states can use the coupons on Jordan releases, and I don't know what's going on there. I don't know where the disconnect is, but they need to start letting people use those coupons so people can pick up these kicks like this that's going to be hitting their outlets very, very soon. It's going to be going under retail very soon in Foot Locker. So yeah, they need to fix that. Inside of the box, you got the black tissue paper right here, and you go to the receipt. You already know how it comes. But yeah, let's jump into these Air Jordan 11 Low Space Jams. First things first, you got the white midsole match. Pretty much just like the Air Jordan 11 Concords, the OG hot pair, but instead you get this like IE version. I'm not for sure what IE stands for. If you do know, let me know in the comment section below. That's what we're here for, to learn, to talk about kicks. So let me know what IE stands for. And this kind of looks like a referee shoe to me, like some a referee will wear, you know what I'm saying? But you got the patent leather around the whole shoe. Y'all already know I'm gonna hit you guys with that B-roll. I just got a gimbal, so hopefully the B-roll is more smooth, more crisp for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. We got patent leather all around the kick right here, as you can see. And I'm hearing this is the first Air Jordan 11 Low IE with that patent leather around the side. I'm not for sure if I heard that right. And right here you got like this regular leather right here. It's not very soft, it's kind of stiff in my opinion. This is the same leather as the Air Jordan 11 Low, the gold ceremonies or whatever. Kind of stiff, it's not that good in my opinion. And you only get the leather on the front of the toe box, as you can see. On the upper of the shoe, you get this like ballistic mesh or a nylon on the upper, as you can see right here, all around the side. You get this little cloth on the back of the heel, and they didn't give us no Jordan sign like you get on the regular 11 Lows, just nothing back there. So no branding on the back. And wrapping around the side, you get the same nylon or ballistic mesh on the side as well. When you're looking in between like the midsole and the upper of the shoe, you get this little netting on the middle right here, as you can see. You can see straight through there, get some air through there, get some breathability in your kicks, and you can see straight through your kicks, man. So I don't know where the IE came from. I need to do some history about that. I wonder why they put the netting all around the shoe like that. You can see it's nothing. You can just see straight through the mesh. I really want to know why they did that. So if you do know, let me know in the comment section below. We got these 4 stitchings right here on the toe box as well, leading up to the laces. You can see they didn't give us no extra laces, no special laces. You know, with the Air Jordan 11s, you get those thicker laces, but these are here pretty thin. They're way thinner than the regular Air Jordan 11 laces. On the tongue, you get that purple or that Concord Jumpman right there, as you can see, with that same kind of like cheap plasticky leather around the tongue. Nothing on the back of the tongue besides the size tag, nothing special there. And I did not point out that it did have the mesh on the back of the kick as well. You already know on the bottom of your Air Jordan 11s, you get that carbon fiber on the bottom. You got that icy blue sole with the Concord paws, as you can see, and that Jumpman in the middle of your kick. I'll show y'all that on both of the shoes. Bam blam, just like that. Y'all see that carbon fiber right there, man. So very, very nice. I love the carbon fiber. I don't know what it is about it. It just makes that I think it's that checkered look on the bottom of the shoe that looks very, very dope. You already know I'm a sucker for the icy outsoles, and they threw it on these. So that's one of the reasons why I was thinking about keeping this, but nah, there's too many kicks coming out, and these is definitely going back. I want to keep those Air Jordan 13 Lakers, because I know my boy LeBron there, and AD, and we got Rondo, we got DeMarcus Cousins. There's just so many people at the Lakers that it's just so hard to not even think that they not gonna get a ring. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be keeping those 13s. On the inside of the shoe, you get this cardboard box with white tissue paper around it, and on the insole, let me pop this thing out for you guys. You got a regular black insole with the Jumpman right there, as you can see, and your size tag on the insole as well. Let me unlace these real quick because I did not point out that on the tongue you got like this V, or I don't know what was intended for this to be, but as you can see right here, you got this like V going down the middle of the tongue. I'm not sure where the design or where, like I said, I don't know where the IE came from. I think it just came out of nowhere. But if you do know the history about it, like I said, after this video, I'm definitely gonna search it up and see why they wanted to do this type of style, because they would have gave us a regular Air Jordan 11 Low Space Jams. I think that would have been very, very dope, and I think those definitely would have been selling out very quickly. I know a lot of people don't like the lows, but it's summertime, and the low cut shoes are definitely a winner for summer. Yeah, that is it for the review over these Air Jordan 11 Low Space Jams. Like I said, let me know in the comment section below if you did go after a pair. Let me know if you got them for under retail, and also let me know where you caught from. I personally think these will be hitting the outlets very, very soon. But if you went ahead and spent that bread, if you really like this kick, hey, kudos to you. But me, I'm passing on these. I can definitely get these for maybe under $100 later down the year, especially around that Black Friday time frame or Christmas time frame, where they start hitting y'all with those discounts. So I'm definitely gonna be trying to go back and get these, because this will be my first pair of IEs in the collection. Like I said, I appreciate everybody for tuning in to this review. Make sure you like the video right now. If you enjoyed this review, follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. Comment down below and let me know if you copped, dropped. Let me know something in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already to the channel. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.